Okay. What did he give her?
Kendall, an iPad.
A big one? The massive one?
Yes.
I gave that to him for Christmas.
Did you give him a keyboard or no?
Yes, a keyboard, a pen, and an iPad. For Christmas.
Kim, you're gonna die right now. He re-gifted Kendall's
I'm
birthday
so
gift.
mad. I would have given that to someone else.
Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for your area until 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m., numerous reports of a strange object being seen on the southern horizon have been reported. At this time, no one has been able to provide clear information as to what this object may be, as it was barely visible. The National Aeronautics Space Administration has been informed, and will have more information as soon as possible. Stay tuned for further updates on the situation. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover immediately. Repeat, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover immediately. At 4:38 p.m., the object that was seen earlier has been spotted again, and has malice intent. It has been described as a bow-shaped spacecraft, and has been showing signs of being hostile. Numerous people have reported that it is shooting some kind of green laser from its spacecraft, aiming at anyone in its sight. The best thing for you to do right now is to stay inside your home. Turn off all lights, and get into an interior room. This is a very dangerous situation and proper action will be needed to be taken now, in order to survive. Stay tuned for updates on this very dangerous situation. It is too late. The hostile being has taken over planet Earth. Do anything you can to keep you and your family alive. The powers this hostile being has is astronomical, and wasn't able to be stopped. Please stay indoors. Here is a clip taken from the United States Army of this hostile being. Good luck to you all.